Are you wondering where the fuse boxes are located in the 2023 Mazda CX-50 venue and how to understand their diagrams? In this guide, we'll explore the fuse box locations, layouts, and tips for easy identification and maintenance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a vehicle houses essential fuses and relays, protecting circuits for interior systems like lighting, infotainment, and power windows. It's conveniently located for quick access. Proper maintenance ensures electrical safety and functionality. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses critical fuses and relays that control essential vehicle functions, such as the engine, cooling system, and ABS. It protects these circuits from electrical overloads. The box is typically labeled for easy identification.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.